What's up, YouTube? JC News Now. I did a video today. My notifications aren't going out for some reason, but maybe they will on this one. We'll see. I saw a young man. I was at Casey's getting some stuff, and troopers pulled in and pulled up in front of a truck that was in front of the gas pumps. There was a kid getting gas. These troopers saw this kid had dark tint on his windows and pulled off of the road and pulled up to him while he was pumping gas. And they gave him a warning, so I can't really complain too much. But the point is to me, they did a Terry stop on this kid. It wasn't a traffic stop, and the kid was scared to death. He said, "Man, I just got this tint yesterday." I'm like, damn. But anyway, I'm standing there, and instead of getting to confront these officers and ask them about it, I got sidetracked. You know, I got ADD, and I got sidetracked. There was a Karen. You know how West Plains is with Karens. They're thick around here. And she started mouthing at me, and so the video ended up being about her. And I hope you guys, I don't know what it is. I guess I'm a Karen magnet. They just don't like me recording. I don't care. Anyway, I'm going to include the video. But anyway, my video was going to be about the two state troopers. It was a trooper training another one, and they pulled off the road to hem this kid up about his tint. And he was minding his own business. He was on private property. He was getting gas, paying taxes on that gas. But anyways, the video, I had to say something about the troopers because I got sidetracked with a Karen. There was actually two Karens. Well, a Karen and a Darren. And anyway, that's how it goes. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Look what we got here, YouTube.
Oh, you got a sticker on it? Alright, you don't have to pair it up. We can do something right. You got your license prevention.
Okay, 432. Getting gas. Oh, we're gonna go conspire. What did it stop you for? Oh God, that's petty as hell. Maybe I'll give you a warning. Usually when they see the camera, they like to do the right thing. You're welcome. I'm JC News Now on YouTube. Check, appreciate it. Share, like, and subscribe. I'm a cop watcher. You bet, man. 432. Stadies. I can't see because of the glare. I don't know if y'all can or not. Plus I'm shaking like a dog trying to shit a peach seed. Nice rims. Window tint. Oh my God. Got a little rust there, buddy. Damn, it's cold. It is cold. You got a sharp truck. I like your rims. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Shit, it's cold, y'all. It's sun shining and it's cold. I'm gonna be doing a live today at a undisclosed location, but you'll see when I go live. Got something that's keeping me from sleeping. It's on my mind.
Is he yours?
Excuse me?
Is he yours?
No, I don't own.
Alright.
I don't own
Then get
anybody.
the hell away from my car.
I don't need any of your directives.
Then get away.
Mind your business, lady.
Such a fucking instigator.
How'd that work?
My kid, my car.
I'll film the whole
Get
thing.
the fuck away from me. Back
Damn. Karen. She spoke to me, bub. Should have minded your business.
This is my business. This car, my kid. You're videoing it.
What's your name?
Don't fucking worry about it.
All right, and why don't you close your mouth?
You gonna care about this kid?
Damn. West Plains full of Karens.
Parents are fucked up on you.
She went and cried to the cops. Call her a ambulance. Call 911. What the hell? Anybody in the chat know who she is?
Dude, you're pushing it. You're really fucking pushing it.
Or what?
Don't fucking start me.
You're gonna be famous, lady.
I don't give a fuck.
I know you don't.
No one, you're fucking famous. Fuck.
Good God.
Get the fuck out of my way.
Have a good day.
Fuck off. Shit.
Tag number 2HG737. Oh, fuck off, bitch. See ya.
You're just fucking videoing people for no goddamn
Bye,
reason.
Karen.
You don't want no fucking life.
Bye, Karen. Dumb bitch. Huh?
You're Karen.
No, I'm JC, man. Share, like, and subscribe.
Okay, Karen.
Nice rims, pussy. Look at all these fucking Karens. Good God.
Now you go to jail.
All right, I probably will. Thank y'all for the warning. Y'all be safe out there.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day. Gave you a warning? Good job, man. Get it fixed. Yeah, they're pretty good about it. All right, we'll get some yonder. All right, little cop watch. All right, y'all, JC News Now. Peace.